Alright, now we are going to be working on the area of a trapezoid. Okay? Now, a trapezoid is defined as a quadrilateral with one set of parallel sides. Alright, and as you can see here, these two lines are parallel. These are not. See, if you keep going, they run into each other. So those are not parallel. Alright? So, that is a trapezoid. Alright, and now for the area of a trapezoid, this gets a little more complicated than the others, but we're going to work through it, okay? So, the area of a trapezoid, you're going to start by adding base 1 and base 2. Now, since the outside, these two lines are not parallel, that means that the top and bottom are different sizes, okay? And first, we're going to add up this, the bottom one, the bottom base, and the top base, okay? Now we add them up, and I broke the problem into 3 different steps to make it easier, okay? So, I'm going to put 6 centimeters. Sorry about that. Alright, 4 centimeters. Okay, and then we're just going to add them up, okay? And when we add them up, they get to be 10 centimeters, okay? Oops, let me undo that. Centimeters, okay? So, it's not going to be centimeters squared because they're going to end up being the same measurement, okay? So, we're going to now take the 10 centimeters squared. Now we have the base figured out, okay? We're going to bring it down here, okay? And we're just going to write 10 centimeters, okay? And from there, we're going to divide it by 2 because now we are going to start treating it like a triangle, okay? So we are dividing by 2, okay? 10 divided by 2 equals 5, all right? Now we've worked it down all the way to make it easy and simple, just like the rectangle with base times height. Okay, now, as I didn't show you, but the height is right here in the middle, okay? That is the height. Now the height is going to be 6 centimeters, but we're going to start out with the 5 centimeters, okay? So you got 5 centimeters times 6 centimeters. Now this is the height. This is the base. Okay, and now we're going to find the area. So 5 times 6 is going to add up to be 30. And this is where we make it centimeters squared, okay? So it's going to be centimeters squared, okay? Well, there is the answer.